I love my puppy. Look who's just arrived today. A brand new puppy. Yes! Hooray! We've got him all the stuff he'll need. His basket, collar, bowl, and lead. At first, a puppy's scared and shy. So Mummy's careful. So am I. We give this special food to him. It helps him grow. He tucks right in. I hold him gently so he knows I love him. And he licks my nose. And when he wakes up in the morning, how he stretches. See him yawning. Soon he's ready for the day, and all he wants to do is play. He nuzzles at my ears and feet. It tickles, but it's very sweet. I stroke him and I scratch his tum. He wags his tail, which means, what fun! He wants to nibble everything.
Oh no!
Like papers, clothes, and bits of string. It's not so funny when he chews the laces off my daddy's shoes. He seems to wee just everywhere. But soon he'll learn, so we don't care. He loves a visit to the park and sometimes bravely tries his bark. He sniffs the flowers, grass, and trees and chases butterflies and bees. Together we both walk back home. Then cuddle up. Us two, alone. And when he's tired and lolls his head, we put him in his cozy bed and watch his little sleeping form, all soft and still, all safe and warm.